showing up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday, my friend. Here's to all the years we've shared together, all the fun we've had. You're such a blessing, such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams come true. So light a candle on your cake for every smile you've helped create, for every heart and every soul you've helped to grow a little more. A few more pounds, a little more gray. Don't count the years, just count the way. It takes a little time to go from water into wine. Don't ever lose the wonder of that child within your eyes. Happy birthday, my friend. Here's to all the years we've shared together, all the fun we've had. You're such a blessing, such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday mo.
Mama Nini.
Mama Nini. Birthday. Bye.
More po?
Happy birthday, Mama Nini. Happy birthday, Mama Nini.
Happy birthday, Mama Nini!
Happy birthday.
We love you!
God bless you. Good health.
Birthday night, I wish you good health and many birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Mama Nini.
Go!
Happy birthday, Lola Nini. God bless you. Happy birthday, Mama Nini. I love you.
Hello, Ma'am Nene. Happy birthday! Hinaot unta na tagaan ka pa sa Ginoo ka ng taas nga kinabuhi. Nang happy lang, together with your family. Wishing you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year and Happy birthday! God bless you!
Happy birthday, Mother! Di na lang kumukanta kay lisod na, but thank you sa pag-adapt ug pag-atiman sa ako sa inyong mansyon. I hope your special day will bring lots of happiness, fun, and love. and may you live long so that you will continue to enjoy the beauty of life. Happy birthday! Mwah.
Happy birthday, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. God bless you. I hope you have a good health and we miss you very much.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Nene! Happy birthday, Tita Nini! We love you!
Great day na ako. Happy birthday. Ang isa sa pinaka power na akong iandra, no? Si Mama Nene. Wish you good health, ma. Amping mudra kanunay. Halado.
Hi, Ma'am Nene. Happy birthday. Wishing you a day filled with lots of love, laughter, and good times. May your special day be as wonderful and amazing as you are. God bless you and keep you close to His heart on this special day and always. Just enjoy your day. I love you and I hope to see you soon.
Eternal happiness,
Abundant blessings.
and many more birthdays to come! Happy birthday. May God bless you. More years of your birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday ni hinaot pang tatagaan kag taas pang kinabuhi. Maabot kag 100 years. Happy birthday.
Hi Mama Nene, gusto ko lang batiin kayo ng happy birthday and maraming salamat dahil pinapayagan niyo si Jimmy na sumama sa mga lakad. Happy birthday!
Joy in my life. May the goodness